Hello everyone, this is theRedcliffeCoder. I'm back. I'm sorry for the long disappearing act. Sorry. Um, so this is a quick video on where I've been. I think the last time I posted a video was about 4-ish months ago. So for me, I have moved from my old place to my current place now. I switched jobs. I didn't finish school because I was in a online class from last May until about March, April. But then I decided, because it only cost extra $4,000 to start a new semester, and at the time me and my wife couldn't afford it, so I decided not to attend another semester, putting us in more debt, and just strictly went to the workforce. And in that time I kind of felt like to give up on programming and find a new path in life. But I decided not to do that. It kind of felt like Frankenstein, Dr. Frankenstein, who created Frankenstein monster, and I couldn't abandon my child, I guess you could say, this passion I have for programming. So I'm back, and I want to bring back this channel and try new things. I decided in the next video I do want to do a review on the programming class I took at Newmont University for computer science. The correct name is Newmont College of Computer Science, and give my honest review on the course. It was supposedly a 9-month class, but I screwed up and made it last longer. So in the next video you see, I'll do a honest review of that the course. What I liked about it, what I did not like about it. But I am trying my best to bring back the channel and stay more consistent, as well as I will do periodically post videos about reviews of courses I have on Udemy. An honest review of those courses for beginners, because I am still a beginner. Even though I did pass my class, of course, I still feel like I'm a beginner. So the thing right now, I'm doing a JavaScript, kind of a JavaScript bootcamp through a program or course on Udemy. I can't remember the name of the person who made the course. I'll probably find it and put in the video afterwards. So, but it's good to see you guys. I love you guys. Get you next time.